A, B, C, D, E, F, G. All I want is to be free.
Everyone, and good morning. We're making vlog for Eject 5. So, let me introduce myself. My name is Regim Isnehibrongo.
And I am Lavinia Casanova from Senior High School Morning.
And there are a few questions that I would like to ask. What is language?
For me, language is a word that we use every day, especially in communicating. So each word is what we call the language. Or say for example, we can call it the English language, the Filipino language, the Mexican language, and many more.
Number 2 question is a language and dialect the same?
I think language, it is the name of the word that we communicate using the dialect.
What is the difference between language and communication?
I believe that the language is the key in communicating, so that each person can understand what they are talking to or what they are they have on their mind.